In this segment of the Slate tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to impersonate an applicant. This is for you to see exactly what the applicant sees on their end and potentially help them along the way. You can do this for the actual application and also see what they see on their status page as well, on their portal page. If we go to the application tab for this particular record, on the right-hand side, we have the Impersonate Applications option. This will give us the actual application for that particular applicant. So we click on it, we click on Open the application, and we can make actually modifications to this application as if we were the applicant. Actually, in this case, the applicant has submitted the application. They can't make any changes, but we could actually go in as the counselor and make any relevant changes